In this video, we will be looking at the 6 graphical interface screens on MASSO and what they are used for. A screen may be selected in one of 3 ways: by pressing the F1 to F6 keys on your keyboard, using your mouse to click on the desired tab at the bottom of the screen, or if you have a touch screen, by touching the desired tab on the bottom of the screen. Pressing F1 takes us to the setup screen, where we will be requested to enter the admin password. Click on the password box and enter your password. Once you have logged in, you can configure your MASSO by double-clicking on the desired function and make the required changes. You can also configure and monitor the status of your inputs and outputs from this page. The F2 screen is your Program and Manual Data Input or MDI screen. From here you can view and run your G-code programs, monitor the job's progress, access coordinates, and use buttons to carry out various functions required. The F3 jog screen is where you home your machine, set up the initial position of your cutter on your stock using the function keys. It allows you to select your jog feed rate, step mode, and step distances, as well as continuous jog mode. The F4 screen is where the tool and work offset configuration is kept and modified. The tool table can hold up to 32 tools for their location within a tool changer, along with the tool name and parameters. The work offset table is where you configure your work offsets G54 to G59. There is also a work offset provided for a laser to help you with setting up your stock position. The F5 screen is the conversational programming screen. From here you can create and save jobs using the built-in wizards to generate up to 50 individual toolpaths, which are combined to make your desired project. You can then generate the G-code files to be machined. Wizards available for creating your toolpaths are face cut, profile cut, rectangular pocket, and circular pocket wizards for milling, outer diameter, inner diameter, face, drill, and threading wizards for lathes. The F6 screen is the load file screen. This is where you can view and navigate the content of your USB drive, then load the desired G-code file into MASSO. After loading the file, the toolpath is drawn on the screen for you to view before running the file. On this screen you can also load your wizard job files created under conversational programming on screen F5.